Yeah, we have our sister station.
Well, here we go again.
Their chief meteorologist, Justin
This
Mosley,
is the
gonna be
third
checking in
one.
and providing coverage here on
None
the
of
show
them
as
are
well.
coming
Sarasota
directly
right
to
in the
where
path of
I'm
this
at,
storm.
but they're
There's gonna
pretty
be a ton
darn
of
close. The
crossing over in
last one
Sarasota.
caused
Having
me
Justin's
2 days
expertise on
of
the live
a
stream is
lot
gonna
of
be
work.
extremely valuable. As we look there's the spaghetti mountain.
More, it might get down into
3
Sarasota,
hurricanes,
like
2 little turtles. That's the difference
but I
between
think it's kind of
Milton and
so
Josephine.
the consensus
Milton
of the
is the
model,
new
JB,
little
12
baby,
hours out.
and Josephine is the big grown up in the pot. How you like that?
In advance, JB, if you remember,
And this is the little place I built for them.
that's because
Get in there.
two features, and we talked about
Gotta hide these guys. They hate this. This Josephine really hates to be out.
West of the high, east of that upper level low. It didn't really
The
have much
Flintstones.